wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cigarette rolling machines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. While getting the hang of the method for securing and folding the paper can be frustrating, the rollerbox silver represents a cheap and usually effective way to make your own smokes. Conveniently, the durable metal case gives you a place to store them afterwards too. It comes with clear step-by-step directions in a compact and portable size. However, the result is kind of thin. At number 9, while most automatic models are big and stationary, the handyroll electric comes in a compact size that can be thrown in a handbag or backpack and taken anywhere. Of course, that feature comes at the cost of its battery, which is small and has to be recharged often. It does include a USB cable, but some users report getting duds, and it doesn't have a very long working life anyway. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The gerui mini machine boasts a number of components that make the rolling process easier, including a large tobacco hopper, a collection bin, and an adjustment knob for increasing or decreasing the density of the finished product. Unfortunately, the motor is a little weak. It's made of ABS plastic and steel. However, the tobacco feed is sometimes uneven, and some units ship with an EU plug. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cigarette rolling machines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, king-size cigarette smokers should check out the top-o-matic poweroll, which can turn out a whole pack of filtered smokes in a relatively short period of time. It comes with a tamper and cleaning tools, though be careful when you're loading the tobacco as it jams easily. It comes in a durable carrying case and offers a one-touch operation, but it makes only the one size. Moving up our list to number 6. If you don't mind expending a little manual energy and time figuring it out, the zigzag 100mm can be a useful little tool for manufacturing your own smokes. True, the plastic is brittle and breaks easily, but at this price it doesn't cost much to get a replacement. It achieves a very tight roll and works well with zigzag papers. However, it can be difficult to use. Halfway up our list at number 5. The manual tomasar hand operation is made of coated stainless steel, has a wide and sturdy base, and uses a basic mechanical process to produce rolls, all of which ensures it will last for years to come. It doesn't operate quite as smoothly as similar models though. It's very easy to get the hang of and makes 3 different sizes, but it feels a little heavy. At number 4, from one of the most trusted names in the business, the powermatic Mini is one of the smallest injector-style machines on the market, which tend to be more reliable than the roll variety. Some users even claim it's more consistent than the top electric models out there. It includes a tamper and a brush, and is great value for the price. However, it doesn't play well with pipe tobacco. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Made of environmentally friendly hemp plastic, this raw 79mm is sure to satisfy your tie-dye wearing, bogue smoking inner hippie. The flexible rolling sheet makes it easy to achieve your desired width and works with all plant products, including the medicinal stuff. It takes 1 1/4 size papers and is very affordably priced. It's good for making blended cigarettes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cigarette rolling machines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you don't have to worry about torn tubes or jammed gears with the top-o-matic machine, which relies on a hand crank to fill the paper with whatever blend of tobacco you like to smoke. An adjustable switch lets you set the unit to whatever size you like too. It's a heavy-duty metal construction that's fast and efficient, and backed by a 1-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with an increased motor speed and improved gear quality, the new powermatic 2 Plus remains one of the most reliable and consistent electric makers around. It's also one of the most advanced, complete with green and red indicator lights showing when the unit is on or jammed. It makes regular and 100mm sizes, and comes equipped with a spacious hopper on top. It's best for serious smokers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cigarette rolling machines, or simply click beneath this video.